Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old. Let's get it. I woke up today to $1,604 because the same guy bought 10 $97 payments of the same exact upsell. I don't know why he did that. He probably pressed the button like 100 times. So for anybody buying my $97 website / logo package, just press the button once. You don't have to press it like 10 times. In reality, we're probably gonna have to refund. Let me count this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 10, 11. So he bought $11.97. So he bought $1,067, and we have to refund $970. We're actually at $634 for the day officially. Not too bad considering I just started the day and it's only 8:28 a.m. Mondays are usually my busiest days. I have a group client meeting. After that, my videographer is coming through to film higher quality YouTube video. So I'm gonna be filming 2 YouTube videos today. And then after that, I have a couple more meetings this afternoon. And the most exciting part, I have 2 calls with 2 different influencers that we could potentially close to promote my software. If we could close both of them to start promoting my software on like a 50-50 partnership split, we're gonna print. So stay tuned. I think it's gonna be a fun day, and let's get it started. Just finished up the workout. Got a meeting in 10-20 minutes. So we gotta tame my broccoli hair, get changed, and head to the meeting. Much better. Hair does not look super broccoli-like. Well, it still does, but less frizzy. And no more Gymshark tank top. Just wrapped up the group call with my clients. I'll show you guys a little teaser of the recording. You can barely see it because my laptop's so dusty, but that's okay. The 6 secrets to building a marketing agency. So as you guys see, first 3 seconds or first 15 seconds, you need those 3 things. It doesn't have to be any particular order, but you do need some type of proof, some type of promise, and some type of plan. On Instagram, I don't think you need a plan, but you definitely need proof and a promise. All right, so my room is messy as shit right now, and my videographer is coming in like 5-10 minutes. So we gotta clean the room, make it look nice. I'm pretty authentic on these vlogs, and I still should be authentic in my higher quality videos, but hey, wanna make sure it looks nice. So everybody says all the time, how you do anything is how you do everything, which I still think is true, but maybe not for laundry, because my cleaning lady Laura does that instead. My videographer is coming through in a couple minutes. He's running late. Common theme of my vlogs, everybody's just late, including me. But anyways, while waiting, I just saw on my phone. We just closed at $397 DM close. We're now at $1,063 for the day, and it's only 12 p.m. So hopefully we get some more closes and make this a solid day. What's good? How's it going? Good. So this is my videographer, Esteban. Esteban is the GOAT of making people look like Iman Gadzhi, honestly. But yeah, we're about to
him up soon, bro.
Soon. But we're about to film basically 2 videos in one. I'm gonna film my YouTube vlog today, and we're filming a higher quality video with Esteban. We're about to hit the pool. About to film a little intro there. I honestly have no idea what we're filming. I think Esteban sent me like a little brief. Looked at it for like 2 seconds, but the boy does better on the fly, so we're just gonna yap. What we got on the brief today?
Alright, so details for tomorrow, what separates the rich from the poor, and then start of the video should be you talking about family, where you come from. Once you started making that money, what did you do with it, and then how did you keep your wealth, like with that new software?
Got you.
How's it recurring?
The last vlog I shot with Esteban, dropped the microphone in the water. That shit was beeping for like
That shit was
a couple hours.
Bro,
Never stopped. So I had to buy him some new ones, but I upgraded him from the DJI 1s to the DJI 2s, so technically it was all for the best.
It was a blessing.
Exactly. All right, Esteban, how was that first yap session for the intro? All right, we just wrapped up filming the first 2 scenes. This is about to be the most unserious, high-quality professional video of all time.
It's the smoothest video because it's just super, just real, like just being funny.
Yeah, I think the vibe I'm going for when I'm filming with Esteban, trying to make it high quality, valuable, but still like have that like funny, just like chill vibes, I guess. But let's keep going. We got Esteban lost in thought, thinking of the next idea. So just finished all the scenes from the pool, hot tub, sauna, the classic. Also, quick side note, when I first met Esteban, he was a beginner, pretty much at $0 a month, right?
Yeah.
How much you got right now?
For the month?
Yeah. Or even last month.
9.9. We still got like 10 days left, so easy 15.
Sheesh. My boy is a six-figure entrepreneur now. Yeah, we got a film in the massage chair. Got a developer meeting with my Indians making my software. Why is that funny, bro? Anyway.
I'm just thinking about something.
We do not white label go high level. Don't even give me that. Like, we actually have a real software that was made in-house. So that being said, I am running late as usual. Don't be like me, show up on time.
I think like the credits is a little confusing, right?
Right now, have a software developer meeting with my developers from my software company. So yeah, these meetings are usually optional for me. I just kind of like hop in from time to time just to see what's up, keep me updated in the loop. I still believe it's like important to know every aspect of your business. Even if it's not your responsibility, it's still important to be aware so that you're T-shaped, right? T-shaped is where you're very skilled at like one particular area, but you're still all around and good enough in every other aspect of business. So for me, product in terms of the software is not my responsibility, but I still want to have those skills and the knowledge to learn exactly how to make a really good software.
So how many ever leads pop up with that search?
So what I have done right now is we have made 2 tabs.
We're selling people like a really simple framework, like Apple.
So me and Esteban are ordering Chipotle, but check how many points I got.
23,000 points. My boy was flexing. He had 2,000 points. Bro.
Yeah, now we got 23,000.
I gotta get a picture of this shit, bro. So what can you do with these points?
I used to have a bunch of free meals, but I thought it would be funny if I just saved all of them, so I just have hella screenshots or hella videos.
I was like, bro, you fucking meathead.
That's funny.
Chipotle. Hold on, don't throw that shit. Don't throw that shit. Bro. Just for some context, we're trying to get the boy Esteban to move in with us so we could get a 3-bed in the penthouse. For transparency, we do not live in the penthouse, but if Esteban moves in with us, our videographer, then we could definitely come.
I'm about to get close.
So yeah, me and Ibby are about to close this guy to live with us. But yeah, chat, let me know. Tell Esteban to move in with us in the comments.
They're gonna be spamming LS.
It's
Bro.
tight, bro. You get a penthouse for 2.5.
It's a flex to live with us, man. Bro, you'd be hella credible.
I thought staying shit was cheap. He was paying 35.
We're in the lower tier elevator. This is where like floors 40 and below. Pretty cool.
I don't know, but I'm keeping it a week ago.
It's
So
Lisa that you would have to talk to.
You would think after living here for 2.5 years, we get some leeway.
hell nah, bro. She said,
Nah.
hell nah.
We're still the kids of this building. Tip number 2.
Quick question. So my lease.
But bro, check out this view. This view goes insane, man. Although Chicago does get cold as fuck, like 8 months out of the year, but it's supposed to be cold right now in October. It is hot as hell right now. I think it's like 75 degrees. So one downfall of Chicago is actually not a downfall right now.
Yeah.
That's about what your thoughts.
Gotta let this settle down, bro.
I'm sold.
Here's my credit card.
That was so fucking nice. I want to get a cold tub for the balcony.
Now we gotta head downstairs. I gotta take a meeting with my business partners. If you're new to the vlogs, Ibrahim Ansari and Dylan Venice, my multimillionaire partner. This is how you not slide in the DMs. Whole ass essay, paragraph. Trying to scam my boy.
Password.
All right, can you guys go ahead and unmute yourself real quick?
Just take the money.
All right, so we're about to have a couple back-to-back meetings with 2 big influencers. One of them has 1.4 million followers on IG. The other one has 300K, so not as much, but still a lot. And so the whole point of this is so that your boy doesn't have to CTA every video now. We could have other influencers posting content and getting us customers, leads, all of that. So hopefully we could close them. And totally forgot to mention, these guys reach out to me, which is pretty crazy because they're way bigger in terms of social media followings. But I guess when you have a good brand and you're posting content that resonates with other people, people just naturally want to work with you. All right, so we are 2 for 2 for influencers closed today. So now I got a 1.4 million follower influencer and a 300K influencer, both promoting my software, which is fire, right? That is what leverage is all about, is not just doing all the work yourself, but getting other people, leveraging other people's talents and network and audience to make you even more money by making money together with these other influencers. So really dope. Closed both of them on 50-50 splits for all low ticket software subscription sales, which is cool. Pretty successful day so far. Gotta love it. All right, so we just wrapped up filming the YouTube video. Finally, I am dead, tired as hell, but I still gotta go through today's vlog, aka the video I'm posting today. I gotta edit it real quick before my editor goes to sleep. Editor, if you're watching this, your ass better stay up. Just gotta revise today's vlog if there's any mistakes. I don't think so, because I trust my editor. And yeah, maybe I'll go off to dinner. I don't know. Today is a nice ass day in Chicago, so gotta enjoy it. Just revised today's YouTube video. Just saw on my phone. We're now at $2,386. So pretty good. Hopefully we can end the day at 3K. It's only 6:22 p.m. so plenty of time. Just FaceTime my girlfriend, about to head off to bed, but official numbers for the day, $2,813. So kind of in a slump lately, not gonna lie, but hey, we'll pick it up tomorrow. And as always, give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. Let me know how you are liking these daily vlogs in the comments below. But other than that, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.